Hi, and welcome to Battlesnake. In this video, we're going to learn how to set up a Battlesnake agent in Repl.it and then test that agent over at the Battlesnake arena. For this tutorial, you're going to require a GitHub account to log into Repl.it and to log into Battlesnake arena. All of these can be done with the GitHub account. So let's get started. First log into GitHub, then Repl.it, then Battlesnake. Now, we're going to be using a teaching snake as our starter snake. There are other starter snakes available. We're just going to use this one for now. Since this isn't our original snake and we're going to be making modifications to it, what we're going to do is we're going to make a copy, and we make that copy by forking the repository. So click on the Fork It button here. Now that we have ourselves a copy, you'll see if you look in this corner, we are still referring to the old forked version. So what we have to do is we have to refresh the page. Once the page is loaded, now we have a new address, and so we can hit play to start the snake running. Now, one of the things that's kind of neat about this starter snake is that it actually has 4 different modules. For this example, we're going to use module 3, which is the avoiding the walls snake, because then we'll have a longer runtime when we take it to the arena. All right, now that all of the packages have loaded, we can see that we have this command prompt here. So enter the number 3, hit enter, and then our snake is running. You can see that it's running because it's red. That address that we saw before, take a copy of it, because we're going to need to take that over to the Battlesnake arena. So here, we need to be logged into battlesnake.com. So log in if you haven't already done so. Then head over to the My Snake section. Here, we're going to add a new snake. So we need to give it a clever name and use that address from Repl.it from before. Once we paste that information in, we can click Save, and now we're ready to test out our snake. To test our snake, go click on the Create New Game button here. There, we get to type in our new cleverly named snake, and we'll hit the play button and find out how well it does. We can see that our snake is avoiding all of the walls just like we asked it to, but then it fails when it runs into itself. But that's okay. That's what you're going to do in another tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please join the conversation and become part of the community.